this instructional video, I will demonstrate the solution to the Instagram Reels scroll down issue. In this video, I will guide you through the exact steps I took to successfully rectify this issue. Please follow along attentively, and hopefully, the solution will work for you as well. To begin, I will close the Instagram app and navigate to the Settings app on my device. Once in the Settings app, scroll down and select General. This will take you to a new page. Scroll down further and click on Storage. I will scroll down and click on the Instagram app. Once you locate the Offload button, click on it again. Please note that this process may take a few moments. Afterward, we will click on the blue button once more to restore the app on our phone. Essentially, this update will automatically upgrade Instagram to the latest version, resolving any bugs present in the previous version. When I personally performed these steps and returned to the Instagram app, it functioned properly for me.